Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushal GT, and today we are gonna unbox this. This is Mini GT Thunderball, the Aston Martin DB5 James Bond edition. This is my first ever Mini GT with a blister pack because it came with a blister pack. So yeah, so this is the Japanese one, and it says Thunderball, I guess. Right? You can see the package. Pretty amazing, right? So I don't know how to open this one, but I will try my best to not destroy anything and be careful with it. Stay around till the end of the video. I have a small surprise for you guys. This is the official product by Aston Martin. TSM hologram right here. And here are the feature list: metal body and chassis, detailed under chassis, soft rubber side mirrors and rubber tires, detailed wheel design, LHD and RHD version available for most versions. I'm not sure which one is this one. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh. This is the box. Pretty awesome box from Mini GT. This is a unique little box. So I have some stains here. Yeah, this is it. So this doesn't have any car inside, but this is the storage box for this car. Let's come to the poster now. The poster looks absolutely stunning. Look at the poster. Beautiful. I will take it out, not now but later on, but yeah, this looks superb. Okay, let's get closer to the car. This is the car. I'll take it out. Boy, look at that. This is the Aston Martin DB5. We have a great amount of details on the base. This is Aston Martin used under license. We have Mini GT logo and made in China. Oh, look at the exhaust. This is stunning. This is a right-hand drive version. Coming to the front, we have a great amount of details. We have plastic inserts for the headlamps and for the fog lamps as well. We have a nice grille. We have the license plate that says BMT 2I and 6A. We have the front grille in chrome. Pretty amazing. Look at the details on this one. We have these awesome wheels. Let me get closer to this. Oh, look at those side view mirrors. So here's the steering wheel on the right side. You have to be very careful with this one because these are rubber inserts. But look at this whole casting, look at the details. Oh, these are painted tail lamps. We have the license plate again, and we have this on top of the license plate right here. Look at that. Pretty amazing. We have the chrome bumper, chrome exhaust. This is really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. What is this? Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, not very fine. See, the build quality of this casting is such that they don't roll really well. Okay. So the make of this casting is such that most of the times they don't roll pretty well because the design of the car obstructs the free rolling wheels. Okay, here I can see this a bit tilt in the wheel. See, look at this one. And even here you can see in the front. Not sure why, but yeah. Also, a casting is well made when all the design elements, detail elements are done well, but they don't even obstruct the free rolling wheels. That it allows the vehicle or the car to move freely. So now in this case you can see there is a lot of wheel wobble. The alignment is somewhere not good. Okay, let me change the camera angle real quick and give you the side view. And right now if you can see, if I try to roll this, just a second, and look closely the way the wheels move. Okay, I'll just zoom in a bit more so you can see that. Look at that. Yeah, this is much better angle. Look at this. So this is the thing that I was trying to explain you. Look at those wheels, how they roll. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this casting, but yeah. Let's check if the other side has that as well. Yes, the other side has it too. So I don't know what seems to be the issue. You can see how crazy good they are, right? And look at the color as well. Overall, I would give this casting a 7 out of 10, and 3 marks are deducted only for the rolling wheels. I don't know, MiniGT lately has a lot of quality issues. And now with that being said, will be compared with the Hot Wheels Aston Martin 1963 DB5 Goldfinger. Okay, unboxing this car and we'll be comparing it with this one. So it will be the clash of titans. What do you get for 179 and what do you get for 1500? So where's the difference? Let me do that for you in the next video. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting. I'll see you guys in the next one.